Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by Trade360. Global equity markets were a bit mixed, but on the whole, much more stable than the market has seen over the last week or so. With the Nikkei 225 gaining 0.34%, the ASX 200 gaining 0.25%, we may have seen a bit of stabilization in peripheral Asia. The FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.24%, showing a bit of strength in the UK. In the currency world, the US dollar has shown its strength yet again on Thursday, although it is worth noting that in Europe some of the bleeding has slowed down. The British pound has fallen 0.28% against the US dollar, while the US dollar gained 0.8% against the Japanese yen. Furthermore, the New Zealand dollar has lost 0.6% against the greenback during the day. In commodities, the precious metals markets continue to show off strength overall, with gold leading the way at a little over 0.5% gain. Crude oil markets got an extraordinarily bullish inventory figure coming out of the U.S. as Brent rallied over 1% during trading. However, copper continues to drift lower, losing a little over 0.6%. In crypto markets, it was losses across the board as Ethereum led the way, losing almost 2%. EOS lost nearly 1%, while the Ripple loss was slightly more than that. The Bitcoin markets were the most stable, although it did have a slight pullback. That concludes our review for the trading session. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news.